Welcome to 7 Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
I know it's been a minute since the last hot pepper season episode. I'm sorry to keep having to apologize about the long gaps between videos, but it's been a very eventful summer for us. There is a comprehensive update coming your way later this week. In the meantime, I wanted to provide a quick glimpse of how the garden is looking and reveal some of the topics I'll be covering in the next video. We finally got some much needed rain over the weekend, probably a couple of inches in total. We need a lot more precipitation to reverse this drought situation, but this was a step in the right direction. The plants are still a few weeks away from full growth and production, but at least they're looking good. We've been sprucing up the garden over the last couple of days because a photographer is stopping by tomorrow morning to take photos. One or more of these shots will accompany an article that features reporter Erica Pearson is writing about us for the Minneapolis Star-Tribune. It's very exciting to be featured in our local newspaper. I don't know yet when the article will be posted online, but I'll keep you in the loop. Some of the topics I'll cover in the next episode include an update on the Fish vs. Fowl Fertilizer Challenge, how some of our capsicum companions have become an occupying army, and why I may not use the small 3-gallon grow bags again next year. Over the next several weeks, I'll be doing my regular summer features, including 2 Walking the Pepper Path videos and a My Favorite Peppers 2021 video. Some new music is also definitely on the way. Thanks for your patience and support, and thanks for watching and subscribing to our channel. Much love to everyone. For 7 Pot Club, I'm Rob.